Once you've restarted your machine, you should find SQL Server installed in the S's. Or is that the M's? Actually, it's in the M's, Microsoft. So Microsoft SQL Server Tools, there's a bunch of these. The one you want is Management Studio. Now this one can be a little slow to open sometimes. That's perfectly normal. Using the newer versions anyway. So you may have to just kind of wait for it to finish up doing whatever it's doing. But eventually it should close the splash screen and take you to this screen. Now it'll offer to connect to your computer by name. And once again, you can either put in the name or you can type in something like localhost. If you're connecting to your own server, you'll want to go ahead and choose Windows Authentication. If you're connecting to one of the UW servers or one of my other college servers, then you'll put the college server name up there and choose SQL Authentication. But again, for your local installation, localhost and Windows Authentication, that should connect. At that point, you should be able to create a new database. If you right-click on the word databases and choose New Database, a dialog window should appear, and you can just put in something simple like AAA and say OK. If that works, you're good to go. That's all you really need to do to get ready for the course. Hopefully that was easy for you. Occasionally it has some problems, but on most people's machine it should work pretty well. Talk to you later.